Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to see your design on different backgrounds like logos, icons or graphics, Canva allows you to download your design with a transparent background in just a few clicks. In this guide I will show you step by step how to download a Canva design with transparent background in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, log into your account. Open the design you want to download. Make sure that your design has no background. Okay, so click the background of the design, press delete, set the background to transparent. You should see the checker board pattern. This pattern means it has no background. Okay, so go to the top right corner, tap share. This opens the export panel. Okay, so in this share panel, click download. You will see file format options. Okay, so under file type, as you can see, choose PNG. Transparent backgrounds only works with PNG. Okay, so turn on transparent background. Okay, and you have to upgrade your account. Okay, so make sure the toggle is enabled. This option requires Canva Pro. Okay, so as I said, you have to pay. Okay, so if your design has multiple pages, click select pages, choose the page you want. Each page downloads as a separate PNG. Okay, so and then click download. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.